An Italian court is opening a new criminal slander trial Wednesday against Amanda Knox, the woman who wrongfully served 4 years in jail for the murder of her roommate during a study abroad trip in 2007, for her false accusation that her boss and local bar owner Patrick Lumumba was responsible for the death of the then 21-year-old Meredith Kercher, a claim she says she made under duress. Knox was studying abroad and living with Kercher, an exchange student from Britain, in Italy in 2007. She returned to the pair's shared apartment one night with her then-boyfriend, Raffaele Sollecito, to find Kercher's door locked and blood in the bathroom. Police found Kercher stabbed to death in her bedroom. She had also been sexually assaulted. Despite their innocence, Knox and Sollecito were detained by police and interrogated, when Knox gave them a false confession that placed her at the scene of the crime during the murder. She told police she was covering her ears to block out Kercher's screams, and accused Lumumba of the murder. Hours later, she recanted the statement and said it was made under the pressures of stress, shock and extreme exhaustion. Knox and Sollecito were convicted of the murder in 2009. She was acquitted on appeal and freed in 2011. In 2015, the pair were exonerated by Italy's highest court. By the time Knox and Sollecito were acquitted, a then 20-year-old named Rudy Guede had been convicted of the crime. He was released from prison in 2021. The case sparked a media frenzy that saw Knox nicknamed Foxy Knoxy by tabloids. She was labeled by the media as an unsophisticated American, exhibitionist and slob, and sexual deviant, The Times reported. She now hosts a true crime podcast with her husband. An upcoming documentary, Monica Lewinsky is working with Knox and her husband, Chris Robinson, to produce a limited series on Hulu that will chronicle Knox's experience with the Italian legal system. Hulu has ordered 8 one-hour episodes for the series, according to Variety, which is based on the true story of how Knox was wrongfully convicted for the murder of her roommate Meredith Kercher and her 16-year odyssey to set herself free. Margaret Qualley, Maid, Poor Things, has been cast as Knox, Variety reported last month. Several on-screen projects and books have already chronicled the story, including a Lifetime movie that aired in 2011 and a 2016 Netflix documentary.